Here, baby, I'll get that.
So sweet, so nice, have a slice of apple pie. Wanna see my mind, baby, you just join my ride. Getting ready for the weekend.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ramir.
Krabby Pants, I'm Alicia.
You're Krabby Pants. Hi, Krabby Pants. Alright, what are we doing today, Krabby Pants?
Unexpected mean compilation.
Hello, baby.
Hello.
Weren't expecting that, were you? Yeah. Oh God, that's awful. Last row at school be like party time. Yeah.
Yo,
There they are.
what is going on? That's Aaron Rodgers. And that's Aaron Rodgers. Are you Aaron Rodgers? You were. Hey, what the hell? Squidward, dab! Squidward, dab! Dab! Squidward! Come on! No!
Oh, I'm unhealthy because I'm fat?
Literally, yes. Like, yeah. Yeah.
I don't get it.
Oh, in video games, if you shoot your own teammate, so basically they're on the same team, so she's cutting down her own teammate, so therefore she's shooting her down, and then that's the message you would get if you killed your own teammate in the game.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Wow. Just like their parents. Yeah, miss.
Oh no! Come on, lab, you're supposed to be smarter than that.
Can the reindeers fly?
No, caribous cannot fly.
Santa Claus is not real?
For one, Alexa doesn't know what she's talking about. Santa
Oh,
is real.
crushed his dreams.
Reindeers make the sleigh fly. And the reindeers fly. But reindeers
You want to find out too?
Alexa, is Santa real?
All I know is that someone has been eating all my cookies.
fly.
Alright, well, Alexa's an idiot.
It's an updated version of the classic Model 5, now reinforced, but more importantly, backed by this lifetime guarantee. This is super exciting because it ensures that you get to enjoy an entire lifetime of disappointment.
Haven't seen my cat in a month and she does this, bro.
Today I'm asking my little brother if he's ever going to get married. Okay, so do you ever want to get married?
No.
Why?
Because you're my sister.
Not.
There you go, boy.
Charlie.
Hey, stands up for himself.
Okay, Charlie.
That's a brave kid.
You look upset.
No, he's brave.
So I got a lot of videos of people asking to see my hand.
We seen this, right?
This. You stole my finger.
No, we haven't seen this one.
I want it back.
So,
I don't think
Lilith finally reached adulthood, meaning she grew her wings. Go get it.
That is pretty cool.
Si Optimum Pride. Puking inang yan, Optimum Pride. Babe, si Optimum Pride, do.
That's cute.
Ooh!
Oh, snap.
Hey, buddy. Maybe he's just watching.
No, the pineapples.
Ma'am, we'd like to call you concerning your car's extended warranty. Ma'am.
That's what happens.
Gangsta.
Tacos and sushi, Tacos and sushi and antidepressants. Tacos and sushi.
I train flight attendants. Here's what you do if a passenger touches your butt. Don't punch them, or do. You'll probably get away with it. Instead, though, grip both headrests directly behind them. Lock eye contact. Scooch like a bat. They will not touch you again.
Aww. Well, that's a nice little sweet treat for Debunya.
They say he killed 17 people just for looking at him.
Oh no! Like that. Is there a mirror there? He about to break that TV.
Here, baby, I'll get that.
They're stealing the dog? No, they're playing with the dog. Oh my gosh.
That's pretty good.
It is pretty good.
That's what these show dogs do.
That's so cool. Maybe I can train you to do that. That's you right there.
God, that would be annoying. Didn't we see this lady already?
Well, we saw one that...
somebody have the same shirt.
Yeah. No.
If you win this game, I'll donate $10,000. It's a lot of pressure. I wouldn't be able to do it.
Oh my god, Mr. Beast!
If you win this game, I'll donate $10,000.
Oh my god, 10,000. Oh my god, but no, I suck at this game. I never ever win in this. Oh my god, am I actually here? This is like the easiest game of my life.
Come on.
It's a freaking
Paris, France.
tower in Japan. Wait, what? Oh my god.
Are you serious? No, that's fake, right? Come on.
Flalo the Roo. Ayla's Donut Hop. For Biznib, open.
Nice.
The menu. To a glassed bonut, 6 bonut. Water, meal, apple
cute.
jaws,
That's my
boost,
life. I'm the read
to a Rick.
I can't understand what you're saying.
I said that's
Have
my
a
life having to
garrote
read
day.
that. The Garrett. Have a Garrett day.
Is that what you wanted?
A Bengal.
They hear that inside, like, is there a cat in here?
Yeah, that Pikachu shirt one. Thought we saw one, but not
There's
that
something
one.
different, yeah. Must be a popular Pikachu shirt.
Maybe. I'll put the two videos right next to each other.
Well, I definitely
Anything
can
for you
relate
guys.
to the teaching memes.
Which one?
The ones of kids chilling at the back.
Teach, rank 1 out of 10. 1 through 10. Which one is it?
9.5.
The other one was a 9.5. They're all...
9.5. 9.5. 9.5.
I think Teach is stuck.
9.5.
If you guys think it's a 9.5, put that in the comments below as well. Let us know if you think it's 9.5.
9.5. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Until next time. Bye.